Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your dialer, specifically your contact list. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and now tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block contact. Let's tap on it. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, but let's tap on block, no worries. And here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked. We can unblock it the same way, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist, which is the second way of blocking the number, kind of, let's say. So all we have to do is tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner in this left side and enter the settings. Here let's tap on block numbers, and that's our contact list, not the contact list, the blacklist, where we've got the number we've blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. Here you can add the phone number manually, just like that, and tap on this plus icon. You can enter contacts or recents to block a lot of numbers in a row, and you can also block calls from all unknown numbers just by using this switcher. If you want to, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this minus icon next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.